Featuring powerful image processing capability, the J6 is a high-performance multi-screen video splicing processor developed by NovaStar. The J6 has been especially designed for stage screen management. Various function buttons on the front panel simplify the operation. The J6 comes with new smart management software, which allows a variety of splicing effects and more flexible screen layout to fully satisfy users' needs. The J6 offers up to 6 windows and 1 OSD output. The windows can be arranged as you like. Each window supports resolutions up to 4K by 2K. The 4 outputs of a single J6 unit accepts free splicing to meet the requirements of extra-large screens. More than 20 transition effects are supported for seamless switching between the input sources. In Splicer mode, the process of editing can be viewed on the screen, and the screen layout is intuitively displayed. Switcher mode allows you to preview the input sources, the process of editing, and edited content in real time through MVR in the background. Finally, press the Take button to display the content on screen. You can choose these 2 modes as required, making the J6 more versatile. The J6 has 8 sets of independent input sources, which accept 4K Ultra HD input. 2 of the sources can be changed to any type of input source. Output ports are backed up in pairs. Output modes can be switched between single link and dual link. The resolution can be set by the user. 16 built-in templates are available for you to save multiple presets of screen layouts, which can be switched between one another as scheduled. J6, broaden your vision, unleash your creativity.